What if I told you that your entire life, your success, your relationships, your happiness depends on something invisible? Something you carry everywhere but rarely understand. That invisible power is your personality. And today on Explorer Nyaz, we are not just talking about personality development, we are decoding it like never before. Get ready because this might just be the most life changing minutes you will ever spend. Have you ever met someone who doesn't even have to try yet they instantly stand out? They don't shout for attention, but people notice them. They don't force confidence, it follows naturally. You might think they are just lucky. They were born with that way. But here's the truth, no one is born with a great personality. It's built through choices, habits, and mindset. And that's what we are going to explore today. How you can develop a personality so powerful it changes the way people see you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. Because personality development isn't about pretending to be someone else, it's about becoming your best version, real, confident, and unstoppable. The real meaning of personality. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is personality? The most people confuse it with appearance. They think personality means stylish clothes, English accents, or good looks. But scientifically, that's wrong. According to the psychology, personality is your consistent way of thinking, feeling, and behaving. In simple words, personality is not your face, it's your mind's in action. How do you treat people when no one's watching? How do you react when someone disagrees with you? How do you carry yourself in failure and success? Those answers define your personality far more than your Instagram profile ever could. Why personality development matters? Imagine two people with the same skills, same education, and same experience. One gets hired, the other doesn't. Why? Because personality decides perception, and perception decides opportunity. A global Harvard study revealed that 85% of success in life comes from soft skills, communication, attitude, and emotional intelligence, not academic qualifications. Another survey by LinkedIn found that personality-based traits like adaptability and confidence are more in demand than technical knowledge. So, if you want to stand out in today's world, your personality isn't optional, it's essential. Let's move deeper and break down what actually builds a strong personality. The 5 foundations of a strong personality. There are 5 universal pillars that shape every powerful personality. Miss one, your growth slows down. Master all and you become unstoppable. Number 1, self-awareness. Know yourself before you improve yourself. Most people try to copy others, their style, speech, or habits, but they never take time to understand who they really are. And that's where they fail. The first step of personality development is self-awareness, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, fears, and values. Quick exercise, take a notebook, write 3 things you are good at and 3 things you need to work on. Be brutally honest, no filter. Ask yourself, what drains my energy? What excites me deeply? And how do I behave under pressure? Once you know yourself, no one can control you emotionally. As Carl Jung said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Number 2, communication, the art of connection. Communication is the mirror of your mind. It's not about speaking perfect English. It's about connecting with clarity and emotion. Have you noticed how some people speak less, but their words hit harder? That's not luck. That's effective communication. Science proved that the 55% of communication is body language, 38% tone of voice, and only 7% words. So, if your vocabulary is simple, your body language and tone can make you magnetic. Tips for powerful communication: maintain eye contact, speak clearly and calmly, smile genuinely, listen more than you talk. Confidence doesn't come from speaking fast, it comes from speaking with certainty. 3. Confidence, the fuel of personality. Confidence isn't shouting or showing off, it's trusting yourself quietly. Everyone wants confidence, but no one practices it. You don't get confidence by thinking, you build it by doing. Speak up in class even if your voice shakes. Record your voice and listen to improve. Face situations that make you nervous instead of running away. Each time you act despite fear, your confidence grows. A study by the University of Melbourne found that confident people earn more and progress faster. Not because they are smarter, but because they believe they can. Confidence is like a muscle. Use it or lose it. 4. Emotional control. Power over your reaction. Here's a hard truth. Uncontrolled emotions destroy strong personalities. You might be intelligent, talented and hardworking, but if anger or fear controls you, you lose control of your life. Neuroscience says an emotion lasts only 90 seconds unless you feed it with your thoughts. That means if you don't reply the situation in your head, your emotion fades naturally. Next time someone insults you, pause for 90 seconds. Don't reply, don't argue, just breathe. You'll notice how calm you become. Real strength is not reacting immediately, it's choosing the right response. Number 5. Consistency and self-discipline. The silent builders. Motivation gives you energy, but consistency gives you result. You can't develop personality in a 1 week. It's a long game. Everyday actions, reading, speaking, helping others, learning, these shape your character like drop of water shaping a stone. Successful people aren't lucky, they are consistent. Make your habits your identity because in the end, your routine reveals your personality. Here's the biggest myth. People don't change. False. Your brain can rewire itself through neuroplasticity. When you practice new habits and thoughts, you literally reshape your mind. That means you can transform your confidence, mindset and behavior by repetition, not by bluff. So if you keep saying, I'm not confident, I can't talk properly, I'm not like others, you are programming your brain to stay stuck. But if you start saying, I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm becoming confident, you are rewriting your identity. Remember this, your brain doesn't respond to reality, it responds to repetition. Let's see how this principle worked for real people. Elon Musk. From side genius to global leader, Elon Musk was bullied and socially awkward in school. But his obsession with learning and his fearless mindsets turned him into a visionary. He didn't change his personality overnight. He refined his curiosity and confidence through persistence. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, simplicity with dignity. He was humbled, soft-spoken, and poor. But his personality, respectful, disciplined, visionary, made him India's people's president. He proved that true personality has nothing to do with money. It's built on values. Oprah Winfrey, from pain to power. She faced abuse, poverty and rejection. But she transformed her pain into emotional strength. Her ability to connect with people emotionally turned her into one of the world's most influential personalities. You, the next example. Your past doesn't define your personality, your choices do. Every day, you decide whether to repeat your old habits or create new ones. The real question is, which one are you choosing today? Let's make this real and practical. Here's a daily 7-step plan to start your transformation from today. Step 1. Read every day. Knowledge expands your vocabulary and thinking. Start with books like Atomic Habits or How to Win Friends and Influence People. Reading gives you ideas. Ideas shape your identity. Step 2. Speak daily. Stand in front of a mirror or record your voice. Observe your tone, pace and clarity. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Step 3. Practice emotional awareness. When you feel angry or anxious, write it down. Understanding your emotion before reacting gives you power. Step 4. Use positive self-talk. Your inner voice is your biggest influencer. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Say, I'm confident, I can learn anything, I respect myself. Step 5. Groom and present yourself well. Good grooming shows discipline. You don't need expensive clothes. You need neatness, hygiene, and good posture. Because when you look good, you feel good. Step 6. Learn to listen. Good listeners are respected everywhere. Stop interrupting, start understanding. When people feel hard, they trust you more. Step 7. Stay curious and keep learning. Curiosity keeps your mind young. Ask questions, watch documentaries, explore ideas. A curious person never becomes boring, they keep evolving. Let's talk about the silent killers of personality, habits that destroy your image and growth. Overthinking stops you from taking action. Complaining makes you sound weak. Comparing kills confidence. Gossiping breaks trust. Laziness blocks every opportunity. If you want to respect, eliminate these 5 habits immediately. Because personality isn't what you add, it's also what you remove. Let's test yourself right now. Be honest. Do you react emotionally or calmly? Do you listen or interrupt? Do you read or scroll aimlessly? Do you take an action or make excuses? Your answers reveals your level of personality maturity. Awareness is the first step toward change. Personality development is not a subject, it is a lifelong journey. It's about becoming emotionally intelligent, mentally strong, and socially confident. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be real. The world doesn't reward fake confidence, it rewards authentic character. Start today, read something valuable, speak something confidently, help someone without expecting anything, reflect before reacting. Brick by brick, your true personality will emerge, calm, confident, and powerful. Remember, your future is not written by your background, it's written by your behavior. If this video opened your mind, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs confidence today. And before you go, answer in the comments. What is the one personality trait you want to improve first? Communication, confidence, or emotional control? I read your answers and reply personally. This is Explorer Niaz reminding you, don't chase success. Build the personality that attracts it. Subscribe for more deep, fact-based, and powerful content that helps you grow in every area of life. Because here on Explorer Niaz, we don't just explore the world, we explore ourselves. Thank you for watching.